Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm sitting here getting educated by Aislinn on Teen Titans or Attack on Titans or something.
It's not Attack on Titan.
Attack on Titans, sorry.
Attack on Titan.
Give you guys a preview of the clip. This clip's gonna have, or this video's gonna have first couple of days of turkey season or a couple turkey hunts and what we've been doing with the International Harvester. I gotta be kind of quiet now. She's got her little babies down here and a little pocketbook, those little sugar glider deals. The kids love animals, even though Aislinn's like a damn killer. Anyways, hope you like the video. It's the International 424 we've been restoring, and just stay along, follow along with that. There'll be some more when we cover that when we get close to being done, when we finish it. And then I haven't killed any turkeys yet, not like I did last year. I was done the first 2 weekends, but I had some buddies that killed some turkeys. My buddy Tyler Jensen, who's been on the show, he killed a turkey. Chief Warrant Officer Picklesheimer killed a turkey. I don't know if my buddy Jake's killed one yet, but we've had some people kill some turkeys around here. Just not me. Oh, here comes Doc. He's up there racing. We're on spring break. Thanks for being here. Stay tuned. More Car Whitetails. Be seeing you. Well, had to fire the full 384 to move it. I'll get the Bobcat in here to raise this standard trailer up, get it up on the ball, and change the ball out too. But I'm gonna pull this joker up to the shop and change the tires on, change the bearings and everything. Be a new log hauling trailer. Thanks for being here. Stay tuned. Turkey season 2 days away. Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm up here at the shop today. That's what I've been doing for the last 3 weeks. We ain't too busy, or we got pending weather coming in. I've been restoring this old 424 that Joseph bought. Going through it. Everybody's kind of pitching in on it. We got a very skilled welder fabricator with Jay Dill here. But you'll see the pictures of it in the video. Just stay tuned with us. This thing's coming along. I sanded down this side this morning, and just been time on it, you know, piece by piece, and then we're still going through it too. I'm checking these front wheel bearings. I can't find anything, but it's an old International 424, and when we get done, she's going to be part of Joseph's collection here for maybe a parade tractor, or it'll probably get used. We'll use the shit out of it, but anyways, I've been going through it slowly but surely, but stay tuned to the channel. We'll have the finished product on here. I don't know when that's going to be, honestly, but something good to follow. Thanks for being here. Said I was gonna say that on me. He just looked at me because of that sticker. I said, "Come on, man." So this is Jay Dill. Welcome to the channel, Jay Dill. This is our premium fabricator here. Jay done fixed the grill on this old International 424. Come on, you did a good job on that thing, man. Looks really good. I don't think it was meant for this tractor.
It's not.
But it's good now. Yeah, man. She's coming along. We're getting ready to, I don't know if the weather's going to permit us to do any spraying today, any paint today, but I have one more spot, and I told Joseph I was going to take that whole dashboard off now and just paint it so it looks better. There's one of the race car drivers in this shop. Old Rodney Lunsford. Welcome to the channel. You can catch him at Roxborough Drag Strip, but he drives a Ford. Track champion like, what, 4 or 5 times, Rodney? Mr. James.
What's up?
Rodney, what are you doing? What are you working on?
I'm timing cover.
Oh my gosh, this is an MK model frame. I just take this thing and drive it to the bottom of Mayo Lake. Yeah. To keep up with the tractor project. So, today was the first day. Broke out the paint spray, got the regulator for it, and some International Red on this joker today. I ain't the best painter, but damn, it don't look a hell of a lot better. Keeping up with the project here. I'm gonna back up some here. There's the hood. But it's a beautiful day here today. In the woods this morning, turkey hunting. One of our friends killed one. I didn't. I seen him dig one over at Joseph's. And look yonder. I'm gonna put these caps back on here. I painted the dash today too. They're all apart. So yeah, old 424 is coming along. Thanks for being here. Give us a comment. Tell us what you think about the tractor. Peace out. Stand up so you can see. Green, baby, here you come, Devin. Here you come. Stand on it, stand on it. Yeah, baby. Hoping I can repeat that this year. Welcome back to North Car Whitetails. North Carolina Spring Gobbler. April 9th. Opening morning. Truck's running. Coffee's hot. I'm gonna jump in my little last bit of coveralls and head to the woods. They start hammering. Stay tuned. Finally heard the first bird hammer off. He's somewhere back up in here. I don't know. Probably he's over. He's got to be at least 250, 300 yards away. I get over here and I got like 7 deer in the field. We'll see if we can make it happen. Wow. Y'all need to get out of here. You're in my damn spot. was a Tom. I'd go after that hen. She looks good. Oh, it's afternoon hunt. Yesterday was opening day. This is the only field that I